Open your Pinterest app, then search for luxury room interior. Scroll through and make your choice. Look for the one that you like, the one you like to recreate. Then good, save it to your gallery and upload it to your Gemini. You save it to your gallery like this and upload it to your Gemini. Now go to the prompt that I'm going to be putting in the comment, copy the first prompt and add it to it while you upload it like this. Upload it, add the prompt will be in the comments. Good. Then send it and hit generate. Good. Save it to your gallery. Then go and copy the second prompt, upload that initial image and hit generate like this. Hit generate, wait for it to load. Then save it to your gallery. Good. Now go to Flow AI, log in and come to this place. Upload that first image, the one where the place was very messy, as first frame. Open the second one as the second frame, then copy the third prompt, then add it to it and hit generate, of course. You see the first image, dirty one, the one that is a bit clean, then hit generate. Make sure you set your aspect ratio to whatever you want. Good. Hit generate, wait for it to load, then download it to your gallery. Now go and copy the fourth prompt that you're going to see there. Hit the second and the first image you downloaded from this thing, then paste it and hit generate. If you did that correctly, then you see that playing in the diagram in the background. That's what you should get. Okay, this is everything. You upload the two videos now to your CapCut. When you upload them to your CapCut, this is what you should get. Now you will see the the AI logo. You can either zoom it in so that that logo is completely gone, or you use something like a sticker to cover it. For me, I use the like and share and follow sticker to cover it so that it doesn't show, or then you can zoom it in. When zooming in, that part of it will come out. Good. I hope you learned this and you were able to get one or two. Thank you so much for watching the video through, and I am sure you can be able to quickly recreate this on your own now. Thank you, and see you in my next video, which I'll be dropping very soon. If you do not subscribe, you are going to miss it.